Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
I'm going on a vacation. I'm going on a vacation in my car. Bum, bum, bum. Who wants to travel with me? Are you guys ready to go on a vacation with me? Yes, I know that. And for that, of course, you have to stay tuned till the end of the video to know where I am going, on what I am going. So today, the name of the activity is My Car. And I'm going to create how we can make small cars with our children around and go on a vacation. An imaginary vacation, of course, because on those small cars, we cannot go uphill, downhill, or maybe on the road. So we are going to utilize art and craft material in this activity. Yes, they are going to use their fingers, their hands, so fine motor skills is going to get upgraded from there. And in this activity, we are also going to learn about tools and technology. So are you ready to ride along with me till the end of the video? And if you like the video, do comment in the comment section. Stay tuned with us. Stay tuned with Footprints. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. So friends, first of all, as you all know, through the high scope curriculum, we have to collect the materials for our children. So here I have some beautiful colorful papers. Okay, you can have newspaper as an alternative. You can have brown paper as an alternative. So what is this? Looks like you're familiar with the material. Yes, it's a used tissue roll. All the tissues are done, finished, and we have this left over. I'll tell you what I'm going to do with this. So, of course, this glue will be needed, or alternatively, you can have Fevicol, child-friendly scissor, which we can use it to cut the papers. Now, let's begin the activity. Can you see what is this? This is a piece of paper, green in color. You talk to your child, ask the color, and this is a tissue roll. Roll like a tissue roll, roll like a tissue roll, yes. Now, just roll it here. Alternatively, you can also give them a piece of paper if you don't have a tissue roll. Say for example, set aside I don't have a tissue roll. So, first apply the glue here. Allow them to mess. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. They all love mess. Keep it here and you have to roll it. Just be a little careful because we need to make a nice roll. So there are so many ways you can make this roll. Okay? Yes. Do tell me which roll you have used in the comment section, whether a tissue roll or a paper roll. Now, we will decorate it. Now this is a car. Okay? I have made few round shape. You can make this from different colors. You would also like to know how to make that. Yes, very easy, as I said. Any piece of paper, any leftover piece of paper, just cut it. Use very carefully this child-friendly scissor and roll it, roll it, roll it. Stick it with a fairy stick. Talk about where they would like to go for the vacation. Make wheels here. Oh, oopsies, I have used a yellow color one. Okay, so green color. Yes, round shape because this is round in shape. What else is round? Yes, can anyone tell me? My friends there? You can tell me. You remember my shapes one? My shapes video where I was talking about burgers. Yes, and bangles. You can see my bangles here. Yes, it's round in shape. You can ask your children, where do you see this round shape? So that's one way of doing it. Okay, now if they would like to explore more, you can make these circular cutouts and we are going to stick them into this round shaped car. This is the car which is going to take us on the vacation. Just make sure that they are enjoying the activity and you are observing them very carefully. Yes. Nice way. Oh, it's not sticking. Let's apply more glue. Yes. The fun part is this. The child is going to love this. Does it look like a small car? It does. So where do you like to go for a vacation? It's very hot and we all would like to go to mountains or maybe some beaches or to a place which is cold enough. So do write, where do you want to go? Which vehicle you would like to use it so that we can create the same in our next video with our children. Today we are doing my car. And yes, little challenging, it's heavier. So if it's not working, just be patient. Glue needs some time to stick. Yes, as children need some patience. Yes, perfect. Yes. So this is how you're going to attach these 4 wheels because there are 4 wheels in the car. Now alternatively, there are many alternatives and I'm going to tell you the alternatives. You can also use a toothpick and you can just pin the toothpick here and attach these 2 tires here. Again, a toothpick here and at the back tires here. You can glue them together whichever way your child loves to do it. Same way you can create here on the tissue roll as well. Now while you're doing this activity, do tell your children to talk about what are the other vehicles they see. What are the other things they see? Do they see a bus? Yes, they see a bus. And can we make a bus out of it? Yes, why not? I will create another video for you guys for a school bus. Now my activities are done and my table looks a little messy. This activity can be done at your home. You can also do while you're vacationing someplace. You just need small papers, tissue roll, always available in our washrooms. These are small papers. We carry autograph boxes. So just tell your children to do some cleanup. Cleanup is very important because while they are cleaning up, they also learn the very idea of segregation. Now, what is this segregation? It means keeping things in their respective places. So I'll keep all the papers here. All my papers, so the next time when I'm asking for an activity, it's right down in this box. All my papers here, keep aside. Now this is my open-ended material basket. You can see all the materials which I'm using, brushes even. So keep these things handy here. You can sing a song with your child while doing this activity to add more glamour to it, or a little action with it, clean up song, or you can play some music, you can dance around, you can clap for them. Yes, everybody, yes, you like it? Yes, clean up. Keep observing your children, keep doing this activity with your child. So my friends, while we were doing this activity, we learned so many things. First, best out of waste. All the tissue rolls, the small papers, the cutout things which is there in the house, you can use it to make my car and go on a dream vacation with your child. Along with that, we also learned some words. We call them vocabulary words. What do we call them? Vocabulary words. Now this is going to add value. While doing the activity, they learn something new and they will remember it. So we are going to add, these are the 3 words which I have chosen. You keep on adding new words, what you listen, what you observe from your child. You can write us back. We can also use it in our videos and later on sessions, and write in the comment section whatever new word your child has learned. So today we have learned transport. That can be any vehicle, school bus, car. I have talked about emergency vehicle, you remember? In my Who Am I video, community helpers, you remember that, friends? So here, tools. What are the tools? So the tools are the ones which is used in cars. See, for example, there is a handle, there is a steering, there is a brake. So you're going to talk about while making a car with them. And the technology. Now, cars run or vehicles run on a technology. So we are going to talk about technology. And these are the areas also where we observe our child and write small notes about them. You can share those small notes in the caption, in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Friends, as I have always mentioned in my activities, in my videos, in Footprints, we follow high scope as a curriculum. So now with that curriculum, you have watched the entire video, how to do that activity. You have participated with me, you have collected all the materials. So thank you so much for watching this video once again. If you have any feedbacks, anything which you want to ask me or us, please do write in the comments section. You share your thoughts, your feelings about this activity. Any substitute material you would like to know from us, we are going to answer you back. Like, share and subscribe to Footprints channel. Thank you so very much.